Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable sending SOS messages on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. With SOS messages enabled, you can send messages including your location, photos, and audio recordings to pre-selected contacts if you get into trouble. Perhaps you won't need it, but it might as well save your life someday. So, if you want to enable SOS messages, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Scroll down and tap Send SOS Messages. Turn the status switch on. Tap I've read and agree to all the terms and conditions above. Then tap Agree. Then tap Add. Tap Select from Contacts. Select the contacts you would like SOS messages to be sent to, and then tap Done. You can select up to 4 contacts. That's it. Now, if you want to send an SOS message, quickly press the Bixby/lock key 3 times. Your emergency contacts will receive a message with a link to your location, photos from the front and rear cameras, and an audio recording. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.